Hi guys, my name is Raman Sharma. Welcome back to our channel High Tech Group. Today we have brought a property which is in DLF Phase 1, 300 square yards, 4 BHK, and the property is on Golf Course Road near to Delhi, and it's one of the amazing properties that is available right now. So let's start the property with the drawing room. As you guys can see, this is the drawing area and this partition is there. That is the space for the mandir and that is the dining area. So let's start with the first bedroom. The builder has provided wooden flooring for this bedroom. This space is quite good and the builder is providing ACs also. This is the washroom of the first bedroom. Now we are entering into second bedroom. The builder has provided Italian marble in living area, dining area, and in two rooms. The other two rooms have wooden flooring. So as you can see, the second room also is similar to the first room only. And this is the attached washroom of the second room. As we take exit from the second room, this is the third room. So the third room is also quite similar to the first and the second one. And in this room also there is Italian marble, and this is the washroom attached to the third room. The washroom size is very big in the third room. This is the walk-in closet, and the fittings that is provided in the washroom is of Jaguar. As we take exit from the third room, we enter into the fourth room. This room can be used as a play area for your children. You can use this room as an office space or a place to watch films, like a media room. This is the washroom that is attached with the fourth room. On the left hand side, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is totally modular. And the builder is providing hob and chimney with the kitchen. The front balcony is attached with the kitchen, drawing room, and with the other room. So the length of the balcony is quite huge because it's of 300 square yards, and the view is amazing. So the second advantage of DLF Phase 1 is that the locality, the location, the connectivity is so strong. It's near to Delhi, it's in the center of Gurgaon. Each and everything, like for example, if we talk about Cyber Hub, then we talk about malls, each and everything is within 5 minutes. As you take exit from the third room, this is the back balcony that is attached with the third room and the fourth room. So it's quite an open space over here. So you will be getting a fully furnished terrace. So in this property, all the floors are available right now, and the prices of the floors are mentioned in the description box. If you want to visit this property, then you can contact us at 8929028000, or in case if you're looking for some other kind of property also, then you can contact us and we'll help you find the right property according to your budget, preference and location. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel High Tech Group. This is Raman Sharma signing off. Bye, take care.